I'm a targeted individual. I've been targeted with electronic torture, which means the government can transmit signals to my brain and control and induce the way I feel, behave, and even ideas. Being a target of this abuse, the government is literally focused on keeping me destabilized in 3 aspects of life, which means work, stop, affecting my ability to keep work. 2, affecting my ability to keep relations, what's it called? The word is intimate relations, girlfriend, wife type of things. I guess that because that creates an interest in others in helping me. Secondly, housing. They have, basically attacked me to keep me destabilized in those 3 manners. While their means of doing such is, of course, transmitting signals to the brain to affect the way I feel, think, and behave. It is a torture program that I've been subjected to, I would say, about 20 years. And I'm just focused on surviving that. I am, I'm not breaking any laws. I'm staying positive. I'm just trying to survive this enslavement that is occurring with me and thousands and possibly millions of others, some knowingly and others unwittingly. This is my story. This is where I'm at currently. And I'm just being allowed by my targeters to keep hope alive at this moment.
Well, thank you so much for your testimony. I'm going to post it up on YouTube, and I hope those listening to it will find it valuable and informative. So thank you so much, Davon.
Thank you.
You just heard Davon, a New York native, provide testimony about his experience with being a victim of non-consensual human experimentation. He is targeted with electrical frequencies, microwave. He is a targeted individual. And he looks identical to this iconic hip-hop producer affiliated with Bad Boy Records and Sean Puffy Combs. He has also been in and out of jails. He has also been targeted to, be in and out of jail, to get into confrontations, and it's been a challenge for him. I have personally met Davon, and he's been through it. And but he carries himself with a lot of grace. And I would like to say that I've seen him go through major transformation. Davon, when I first met him, looked extremely attractive. He was in shape. He was into bodybuilding. He had a background in wrestling. And the targeting prevented him from pursuing or materializing his professional goals. Out of here. So this right here is Stevie J. Stevie J is a former artist from the Bad Boy record label. He is associated with Puff Daddy. He has been in the news because of his association with Bad Boy Records, being a former artist. And he's in the news because he's a character witness for Puff Daddy. And so with regards to law enforcement, it is infiltrated by white hate groups. And there are white supremacist websites that have a hit on black hip-hop artists. If you look at Tight Rope Records, which is a play on Death Row Records, this is a white supremacist website, you will see a list a section on their website that lists hip-hop artists who they feel are a threat to white America. And so the fact that the targeted individual community consists of an unprecedented number of lookalikes of iconic, famous African-American hip-hop producers, DJs, rappers, and moguls says that, these groups are being targeted because white supremacists can't get to these hip-hop artists like they want to torture them. And so as we listen to the allegations and claims that are being filed in court against Puff Daddy, in light of what I'm saying here, or in light of what you've heard on this YouTube channel, Computer Chips and People is a Civil Rights Issue, questions start to raise. Was Puff Daddy ever chipped covertly? Was he hit with microwaves? Was he implanted with soft robotics to commit these crimes so he could finally be arrested and all his wealth be stripped from him? And, many targeted individuals would say yes. Many targeted individuals who are in the know, looking at the P. Diddy situation and, the United States Department of Justice response to it, it can be seen as a crisis management tactic, so that the government could seem like they're tough on crime, tough on sex crime, tough on drug trafficking and gun and weapons trafficking, when they themselves are using frequencies which are called directional energy weapons against some of the most talented, attractive, athletic-looking African Americans to torture them. The population of targeted individuals look exactly like hip-hop rappers. So there's that connection there. Thank you all for tuning in. Computer Chips and People is a Civil Rights Issue. If you wish to support the work that I do, I created a GoFundMe page to, accept donations. Targeted individuals are targeted simply because of the evidence they have is contradictory to, what the U.S. DOJ, what doctors and other people say about targeted individuals, or what other people say about, so-called criminals who may be victims of illegal human experimentation. So if you wish to donate, you can go to my YouTube channel, About Me section. GoFundMe page is right there. This is the fourth part of the series. It doesn't end the series, but this is an important component to deconstructing facial recognition of use by law enforcement and its utility against Black progress in America, and the need for attention to this matter. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.